just days ago, and I've been able to accumulate over $600 plus. So in this video, I'm actually going to be showing you step by step how you can also make exact amount that I'm able to make, or even more than that. So I'm actually going to be showing you some of the tasks that you have to complete in order to get high points for you to earn massive amount of USDT like that. So before I dive into this video, if this is your first time coming across my channel, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel to motivate me. So let's dive into the video. Alright, so the first thing you have to do is to come to this tax section over here. So click on the tax section over here. Alright, so you can see that when you click on the tax section, there will be a tax over here, daily, it will be here, and special. You can see that the tax, these are some of the tax. They are saying that you should join Trump. And also when you scroll down, you see that they're saying that you should join a Notgram community. No, don't complete tax like here. Always come to the special here. You can see a bunch of tax whereby you're giving you high points, high Notgram. So let's go to specials over here. Alright, so when I click on special, you can see that 1 Notgram is approximately 13 US dollars. So you can see that here they are giving you high Notgram points for you to claim. So they're saying that this one you should log in to Forex and mine. So they're going to give you 0.2 Notgram. And this one is also going to give you should follow a ton Forex on Twitter. This one is also going to be giving you a 0.2. See, I've completed this one. You can see that these are the higher points over here. So this one is saying that you should connect hot wallet, and this one is also going to be giving you a 2 Notgram. So I'm actually going to be showing you step by step on how you can able to do this tax without stress, and you claim all this amount of Notgram that I've been able to claim. So stick into this video, don't skip into the video, because I'll show you how you can able to accumulate more points at the end of the video. So stick to this video. Alright, so you see that when you connect to the Hub wallet, this one is also going to be giving you a 2 Notgram. You can see that it is task completed. I've been able to complete this task. So I'm going to complete one task for you to see how I was able to do, and I did it without any stress. So let me complete one task for you to see live. Alright, so let me scroll down and find one task that I'm able to complete. So this task over here, they said connect Fantopio wallet. So I'm going to do it for you to see without any stress. So click on the perform over here. So click on perform over here, and you can see that it is loading. Then don't even wait for it to load, just click on back and get back. And you can see that they are saying that it should verify. Alright, then I click on verify. Say that it's checking for 5 seconds. Alright, then wait. Alright, they're saying that you should wait for 30 minutes for moderation and check to claim bonus. Guys, complete all these tasks and wait for 30 minutes, and then come back and also come and click on verify. You will claim all these tasks. Very simple as that. It is quite simple. Then this one over here, I'll wait for 30 minutes. Then when I come back and click, when you come back, you see that it's a tick claim. Then you click on claim. Simple as that. So make sure to complete all these tasks and get back in 30 minutes, and also come and claim all these things, so that you claim as much as possible, because the listing is actually coming soon. So without further ado, I'll leave this video here. I don't want this video to be long. I'll skip the video. So make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to motivate me to bring you more updates like this. Here's what I have for you. Watch out for my